Hello viewers, welcome back to my technology channel on YouTube GTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about a simple equipment that I have made for safe charging, storage and transportation of RC batteries, especially lithium polymer batteries. So why do we need such an equipment? So as we all know, lithium polymer batteries have unsafe chemistry. So if we look into the history of lithium polymer batteries, we can find large number of instances wherein lithium polymer batteries have caught fire, they have exploded and caused injuries and damage to properties. So these batteries are especially they are unsafe during charging, and even with say slight accidental abuse, so they tend to catch fire and explode. So how to tackle this problem? The first simple method is you get something called as Lipo guard covers. So these covers are said to be fire resistant. In the sense they can contain fire to some extent. So usually all those people who own these batteries, so whenever they want to say store the batteries, they drop these batteries into these covers, close it and store it. And even when they want to transport, they transport these batteries in these covers. And even if they want to charge the batteries, usually what they do is they just let the wires outside and connect these wires to charges and charge them. So in this way it's reasonably safe but not totally safe. So here the equipment that I have built, it is supposed to say perform much better than these covers, say several times better than these covers. So what I have done here is, so first I have purchased this general purpose charger. So this charger can charge different type of batteries like lithium polymer, lithium iron phosphate, lithium ion, so lead acid. So it can charge several types of batteries in several capacities. So I have purchased this. Then I have purchased a metal box, like as you can see here. So this box is referred to as a military ammunition box. So what I have done is I have taken the charger and fixed it to the external of this box like this. I made a small hole here through which I have taken all the wires inside that is used for charging. You can see it here. So usually what I do is, so when I want to, let us say, store the batteries, definitely I would keep the batteries inside this box, close the lid and then store it. So if I want to transport also, obviously I can just transport this box wherein all the batteries are inside. Else, let us say I want to charge the batteries. In that case what I do is, so I take this battery, put it inside the box and then connect the wires. So those wires required for charging. And then what I would do is I would close the lid like this. And then I would switch on the charger to the required voltage, required battery type, required voltage and current, and then leave it for charging. In this way, even if something wrong happens, most likely everything is contained within this box itself. Whether it is a fire or whether it is an explosion that can happen with this battery. So it's more or less reasonably very safe compared to the regular cover, or even if you are charging it or transporting it without a cover. So compared to those scenarios, this is several times safe. Yeah, one other important thing is like I purchased this charger in a local market in Bangalore, local store in Bangalore, and this box I purchased it through a website by name Olive Planet. So if you search on Google for Olive Planet Bangalore, you will be able to find the website. So I think this is a very useful equipment to safeguard yourself from possible problems. So I hope you like this video. Thank you. Good luck.